Better. Much better.
I'm at attention.
No, you're not at attention. You just got to pay attention.
No.
Father.
Oh, Mr. Steve. I'm sorry,
Running like hell at my best pace. I'm getting out of this town. I never thought that I could feel this way.
Okay,
Now put it back to safe. Good. And your body's position, so let go of this.
Okay.
Just like you get into a fist fight. When you get into a fist fight, I know you've done it a lot. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Yeah, you gotta move your feet.
Oh, you want me to move?
I want you to move with me. Keep your hands up.
1, 2, 3.
You see how you just went from this to this?
Yeah.
Make sure it's on safe. Your finger's outside the trigger.
Oh,
Yep.
on my collarbone?
Not in the collarbone, but that soft spot right underneath it. You're doing it just fine. Just like that.
I can't do it this way.
You can. Nope,
do
nope,
it?
nope. Do it with your thumb. Just wrap your wrist a little more.
I can't do it.
See what I'm doing?
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
Should have told me I'm going to cut my nails off.
Oh, yeah. I should have told you.
So,
I trim my nails today.
a little.
I'm so nervous about
Okay, I
shooting.
got it.
Just like that. Put it on safe, bring it down, and look cool. Look cool. That's not cool. I'll show you what look cool
what's
looks like. Look cool. Like this. That looks cool.
Okay.
That's the #1 rule. Always
Okay,
look
well,
cool.
let me-
This hand's kind of just chill.
Okay.
And look how cool you look. But you don't look so stiff. Relax. Better. Much better.
I'm at attention.
No, you're not at attention. You just got to pay attention. Mama, never put the barrel in the
I
ground.
had to kick my earrings out.
That's great. You still never put the barrel in the ground.
What do you do with it?
Because when you put your barrel into the ground, you can put dirt and rock and everything else in there. So when the bullet hits whatever in there, it's going to, and it can be really, really dangerous. Okay, then you're going to pull the trigger. You got to make the sound. It goes zap, zap,
Zap.
pew, pew. No, she said zap. It's a future gun. Get your finger out of the trigger.
I'll try without my glasses. But there's nothing.
It's not a toy. You always treat it like it's loaded, okay?
All right.
You want us to wear these things?
No. Here you go, Ma.
What's in there?
Nothing.
Here.
It's a fake gun.
Oh, wow, it's a heavy paper.
Can you handle it?
Yeah.
That's how much real guns weigh.
Oh, really?
Yes. You'll try later.
It's fake. I know it's fake.
Here. It's a real 22, 0 ammo in it.
Okay.
Just for everybody's sake, because my mom will probably... Nothing in it?
Matt, clear.
Nothing in it? See, Mom, that's why you can't have nice things.
I'm sure she said the same thing about you when you were growing up.
That's why I said it.
Yeah.
Remember, look cool. On fire, nothing. Here you go. Real gun, nothing in it.
Did you do that to me?
Yes. Go ahead, let's get this on you. So
Just waiting to hear what you said.
you always want the bullets facing like it's going down the barrel. Don't do it backwards. So when you pull the trigger, you're gonna hit that target. You aim a little more to the right. There you go, a little more right. Now it's clear and safe. Good job, Mama.
Wow. Okay.
Easy peasy, right? All right, Pops. Hit that target. You'll hear it go ping if you hit it. That's how that works. You ready? All right. So you want to make sure you have eye protection and ear protection. And when you're ready to shoot, finger goes in the trigger. You guys all good? All right, it's on you, Pop. Cool. So you are out of ammo. Come on, Mama.
This is a different gun, huh?
It's different, but all the fundamentals are exactly the same. The difference is when you shoot this, it's got a little more kick. So you got to make sure that the buttstock in your shoulder is in its proper place. Otherwise, it's going to keep on doing this. It's going to bruise you. It's really, really
It's not
simple.
like somebody punching me. It's there.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a whirl.
So trigger finger is always outside the trigger.
But
Okay.
where's the lock?
You can hold it up like this.
Where's the lock?
See what it is?
Yep.
So I'm doing it slow. I don't want to look
I
down.
always have my eyes on.
So you always keep your eyes on the targets.
So I'm gonna hold it like.
Nope, the buttstock goes that way. Push it in.
Oh, in.
Can you look down with your right eye and see that sight?
Yep. Okay.
That's going to go from
Should
safe
I
to
do,
fire.
Should I do that now?
Go ahead. Everybody have eyes and ears on?
I don't. Can you put mine on?
Yep.
Both sides.
How's that, Ma?
Okay.
Good? You guys all good? Now when you pull the trigger, it's going to fire around. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. In, breathe out. Good. You hear the ting because you're hitting your target. Nice and slow. Let the shot surprise you. You're out. So now you want to clear and safe your gun. So finger comes out of the trigger and it's clear and safe. Now we can walk away from our gun. Good job. You actually didn't run out of ammo,
Oh.
but you had a bit of a jam.
Stephen, you need to take a picture of your father and I.
Okay. So you're going to move to the left of Mike. Left, right, left, right. Finger always outside the trigger until you're ready to shoot.
So I'm leaning it up against here.
Now get your forearm. This part here is going to go right here. Like that.
Really?
Go ahead and take 3 shots. Stop. Put it back on safe. So take 3 shots.
Good.
You're on fire.
You gotta put this thing
Put it
on
back
my
on
head,
safe.
Stephen. I can
Put
hear
it back on safe.
Wait.
From safe to fire with your thumb. With your thumb. With your thumb. Cheater. Super good. Feel good?
Yeah, that was good.
Okay.
That was definitely more comfortable than when I started. Am I done?
Yeah.